I stopped worrying about whether or not people liked me, and I got so much better at making friends. Because I used to worry so much about people's judgment, I was seeking their approval, and so that made it hard, that made it impossible to be myself, to feel myself, to fully express myself, to express my likes and dislikes, to reacting to things the way I wanted. Because I wanted their approval. And ironically, that's what made me less likable because consciously or not, people can feel that. And if you don't allow yourself to be fully yourself, you're not gonna connect with people very well because you're not you. You're withholding yourself. So how can you connect if everything that allows you to connect with people is just buried deep down and you're constantly in your head being like, oh, I hope they accept me as part of their friend group or whatever. I hope they're gonna like me. It doesn't work that way. And so, funnily enough, when you stop worrying about it and you just detach yourself from the outcome, you're like, well, maybe they're gonna like me, maybe they're not gonna like me. It doesn't matter. If they don't like me, I'll find other people who like me. I'll connect with other people. And also, it's like, why should you have to prove yourself? Like maybe they should, maybe they should have to prove themselves. Why is it that it's you who has to be, who has to feel validated? It's like, maybe they don't deserve to be your friends. Like, are they cool enough? So, yeah, it's just like changing your perspective on this makes it so much easier, and you'll make way more friends.